Virtuous Eunice's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make cornbread from scratch. So let's get started. 2 cups of cornmeal and 1 cup of whole wheat flour. I have 1 cup of sugar. When it comes to sugar, you have to put sugar to your taste. I might use all, I might not. Okay? I have 1 cup of milk. It's good to use buttermilk, but I don't have any buttermilk now, so I'm using the whole milk. I have my butter, 1 cup of butter. I also have 2 eggs. I have 1 cup of vegetable oil. I have 1 teaspoon of salt. I have 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Guys, look at my finger. Virtuous Eunice was cooking, trying to cut the onions, and I mistakenly cut my finger. This is what can happen in the kitchen, but never mind. Okay, so be careful when you are using knife. So I'm going to mix all my dry ingredients together. I already turned on the oven to preheat. Okay guys, most people does not use the cake mixer, but at this point I want my cornmeal to be light as possible. So I'm going to use my mixer. Okay guys, it's ready. Guys, I'm going to use my mom's cast iron so to bake this cornbread. My sweet mother's cast iron. Because sooner or later you will not see this cast iron again in my kitchen, so I don't want you guys to begin to ask where is that cast. Okay guys, she already rubbed some oil in it, but I'm going to put some butter. Okay, you know the reason why I'm saying this, we just relocated from Charlotte, North Carolina to Florida. So we are living with my mom and my dad. So they are about to go and live into their new house. And we are going to live in this same house. So you wouldn't be seeing this spot again. So that's why I'm saying such a thing on this video. And she's laughing. No, ma'am. Guys, see what we're going to eat the cornbread with: corned beef, cabbage, carrots, and some Irish potato here. Okay. This is what we're going to eat today for lunch. Okay, guys, I want you to laugh again. Don't be asking me for my red apron because this is my sweet mother's apron. Okay. Check it. Check it. Check it. Okay, guys. Just a little bit more. Hey guys, it's ready. guys, it's ready. I'm going to leave it to cool down before cutting it, okay? So soft. Oh my God. So we're gonna eat corned beef with some cabbage and some carrots and Irish potato and the cornbread. I was trying to flip the cornbread over, but see what happened. Oh my God, it's so good. So good. Soft in the inside, crispy outside. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. As you subscribe, like, and share, may the Almighty God bless you. We have a God that is faithful to us. Have a wonderful and a blessed day. Bye.